In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on the Big Cartel website. Whether you're just getting started with your online store or looking to expand your product offerings, it's important to know how to efficiently add and manage your inventory. Let's dive in and make this process straightforward and user-friendly. First, navigate to the Big Cartel dashboard. You can easily do this by logging into your Big Cartel account, where you'll see the main hub of your online store's management toolkit. Here, you have access to all the features necessary to operate and maintain your store. Once you've reached the dashboard, you'll notice various options for managing your store. Pay particular attention to the highlighted sections, as these typically indicate new updates or essential features that Big Cartel wants users to notice. These highlighted areas are designed to be intuitive, guiding you smoothly on where to click next. Next, find and click on Add Product. This is one of the most crucial steps in the process. It's usually located on the top menu or prominently displayed to ensure ease of access. Once you click it, a new form or page will open where you'll be entering all the details about your new product. When you arrive at this form, you'll want to fill in all the necessary details about your product. Start with the product name. This is what customers will see, so make it clear and descriptive. Next, move on to the product description. This section is your opportunity to inform and entice potential buyers. Be sure to include any unique features or qualities that make your product stand out. In addition, you'll need to set the price. Be sure to consider factors such as your target market, cost of production, and competitive pricing strategies. It's crucial to strike the right balance to attract customers while ensuring profitability. Upload a high-quality image of your product. Images are essential as they provide the visual representation that can make or break a sale. Make sure the image is clear and showcases your product from the best possible angle. After filling in all the fields, click the highlight to save or publish your product. The highlights are generally designed to stand out and make it easy for users to save their progress or finalize their changes. By clicking it, your product details are added to your store's inventory. Finally, once you have saved or published your product, you'll be taken back to the main product page. You can access this by clicking on Back to Products. This tab or link will ensure that you're redirected to a comprehensive list of all the products currently available in your store. There you have it. These steps will guide you through adding a product to your Big Cartel store efficiently. With practice, you'll find the process become second nature, allowing you to maintain and grow your online shop with ease. Thanks for following along and happy selling!